The system. You always hear people talk about the system, but do you truly know ukuthi sikhuluma ngani? Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, it's time for you to understand iqiniso that they don't teach you esikolweni. It's time for me to show you the system. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emuva to the very beginning and understand ukuthi when iSitha arrived in South Africa, they had a plan. They wanted the land, they wanted the minerals, but they did not need umuntu omnyama, and so they needed to make a plan yokwenza umuntu omnyama abe obedient. Understand-ke mntu omnyama ukuthi when iSitha colonized iCape Town ngo-1652, they brought with them the biggest enemy to umuntu omnyama ohlala eSouth Africa, which is i-Roman Dutch law. Understand ukuthi le law mainly governs i-property law, i-private law, i-contract law, i-family law, ne-inheritance law, ne-deflect, which is known as i-tort law. And as of today, eSouth Africa, yonke le system is a big part of ukucindezela umuntu omnyama. Now, this is where it gets complicated. Understand umuntu omnyama ukuthi during the time kusaphethe ama-Dutch, kwafika nabase-Britain. They also wanted the land, they also wanted the mineral, but most importantly, they wanted to control i-future yakho, umuntu omnyama. Understand ukuthi instead of completely changing the legal system, they kept i-Roman Dutch law because it favored bona, but also they ended i-English legal principle where it suited them because they wanted something that will solidify isikhala sabo eSouth Africa. And so English law started to strongly influence everything in South Africa. They created a system that will continue to favor bona from generation to generation. Understand umuntu omnyama ukuthi they also decided to spoon feed you leyo system, so you will not question it. Kunalokho uzoyifunda, we-understand, we-accept. Understand ukuthi there is no justice for umuntu omnyama because the system itself never favored umuntu omnyama from the very beginning. We call ourselves South Africans, but we use a system eyafika neSitha. Understand ukuthi English law strongly influenced court procedures, rule of evidence, company law, administrative law. Constitution yethu itself was structured by iSitha, and even court system yethu, inkantolo ifana neyeSitha. Understand ukuthi yonke lokho means ukuthi South African courts follows system yase UK. Understand ukuthi even lawyers wear ama-robes, ndiyafika neSitha. Understand ukuthi a court itself, it looks very similar to British structure, kodwa thina sithi sama-Africans. And understand the system as against yona kanje, it was used without considering umuntu omnyama. Kusho ukuthi bathi beyenza, they did not think about you because you were not the target market. It was always designed ukufavorisha bona. Understand ukuthi it was used to legally justify land disposition, ukuphucwa kweland kokhokho bakho. Your rightful inheritance belongs to iSitha, and system will make sure ukuthi kuhlezi kunjalo. Understand ukuthi it was flexible enough ukubasiza ba-create apartheid, and it still affects land claims, ama-contracts, ne-ownership, because uma umuntu omnyama ethi bring back the land, bona bazothi unayo yini title deed, bazi kahle ukuthi they created that system. The reason why I hate the system so much is because whilst umuntu omnyama busy ehlupheka, bona busy bayagaina, benefiting from what rightfully belongs to you. Understand ukuthi they will distract you with the social media, they will distract you with the 350, they will make sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama is comfortable in poverty and does not question the system.